Okay, folks, in this video, kids making bannock in Avril. And here's the products we're using today. What's your name? Huh? And your name?
Micheal.
And your name?
Aubrey.
And your name?
Aurora.
Aurora and Avril. Avril's going to show them. What you're using is Avril, oil? Flour, baking powder, eggs, oil,
salt.
measuring tapes, and cup. What is the measuring cup for?
They're going to use these for them.
Okay.
These are like
Yeah.
probably 1 cup size. And that one
Yeah. A fun family video making bannock.
I'm using this oil first.
Okay, I gotta get oil. I'll be back. Our oil's down. Look at that.
Yeah, we need oil.
We drank it. Yeah. Okay.
3 cups.
Kids making a bannock in Avril.
3 cups.
We're just starting. They're getting the flour ready. Look at that.
Hang on, I'll help you, Sakaya.
We'll have some crispy bannock.
Here. 1,
Let us know what's good with bannock.
3.
Can you help me? Got 1.
Okay, 2. Here's Sakaya. Let go first.
April. April,
Wait.
can you help me?
I will. 1 at a time. Here, 2.
Yeah.
Got 1 more.
Need help too?
Yeah.
Look,
Wait, I know.
Auntie will help you.
I'll help you.
Auntie Avril.
Just wait, give me a minute. Right full like this. Look.
Right about
like this.
here.
Like this, full. Okay, right full. Scoop it up, yeah. There, 3 cups.
I got 3
Yeah.
cups.
More.
I got
Yeah,
1 more.
yeah. 1,
A fun video. Avril and kids making bannock.
2.
Whoa.
Here. One
I'll
more.
taste it.
You're done. You have 3 cups already.
Look, I got
Yeah.
Nice.
3. 1 more. 3
Ethan got his flour. Does Ethan have enough?
Cups. No, just wait.
Yeah, this.
I got 3 cups.
Okay.
So 1.
So how many cups you're putting in there, Avril?
This is like, this isn't even 1 cup.
Oh, I mean, okay.
3 of these
Yeah.
will be 2 cups, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, shaky ball.
Okay, how many of those going in the bowl?
3.
3? Oh,
Put it
okay.
in there, Ethan.
One.
Put it in there. 1.
And that's 2. 1 more. Avril will help
One
you.
more bit.
Yeah,
3.
right there, yeah. Ethan's.
Uh-oh, you spilled it.
There you go. Ethan's got his
Okay.
3 cups in.
Okay. We need
I
salt.
got
Yeah. All right about here can see them all.
Okay. Look, salt. I'm gonna put salt
Okay,
on
salt's
each
going in.
bowl. 1, 2.
Years of experience.
Oh yeah.
and she does
Look at her happy
Thank
face.
you, Avril, for
Her
showing
happy
us
face
and
on
making
her
us
flour.
bannock.
Okay, 1 tablespoon baking powder.
All right, now for the baking powder.
This is kind of big.
So how is
I'm
okay?
just gonna eyeball it. Move.
Okay.
Here, 1.
Baking powder?
Yep.
Can
Trust
I
the
do
Lord.
Baking powder? Can I do baking
Now
powder?
mix it with
Look
your
at
hands.
his hair.
Yeah. Mix it with your hands. Yeah. This is the auntie.
Yeah. 1.
Can I do baking powder?
Yes,
Yeah.
you are.
Yeah.
Everybody's doing baking powder.
Can I
Yeah.
do it?
There you go.
Feels so different.
Yeah, now mix it with your fingers. Mix it up with your fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, nice and good. Just don't get it all.
Say hello, Ethan.
Say hi, Ethan.
Look
To
over
the
here,
camera.
Ethan. Right
Ethan.
here. Look. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, mix it with
Say
your
hello.
fingers. Mix it
Hello.
like this. Look.
Say hello.
All over.
Oi, say hello.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hi.
Yeah. Bannock's coming along. Here's the flour, the oil,
It's fluffy.
the eggs.
Our dry mixture
Salt.
is good. The dry mixture is done. Now we have to do the
Dry mixture is done.
Okay, here we go.
Here,
I'm gonna mix it guys with baking powder.
here, Taya, grab this.
Let me see.
It's so soft.
Yeah. Don't make a mess. You guys are baking. You guys are being bakers.
What? What?
You gotta have a clean bacon when you
Here,
cook for
Taya.
people. You gotta be clean.
How about the
bacon.
milk?
We're done with those and the magic.
The milk.
We,
Okay.
the magic.
This is 2 cups.
The kids got the magic.
Cups of water. Yeah. Okay. We'll do 1 at a time now.
What's the next step now?
Oil.
The oil?
Yeah.
Okay, oil's going in, folks.
Just like a third. I'm gonna mix it in here though. See, and I'll pour it in there.
Oh. Look at
So
it.
1/3
Okay.
about.
Can I?
The secret
Just wait. I'm
ingredient.
going around
hair
1 by
this-
1, okay?
I made him hair this time.
Yeah,
One
oh
egg.
cool.
I'll do your egg for you and then she can mix it.
Yeah, eggs went in.
Doing my egg.
Now some milk.
I'm doing it for you, okay?
Oh.
Hang on.
Mix
Yeah, I
that.
want you to
Okay.
mix that up. Just
Now
wait. I'm
she's
gonna put hot
mixing it.
water.
So it's just like with my
Okay, well, let's
hand.
see that, Ava. How much to measure it up to?
Just like with my hand.
Water
Yeah.
up to 2.
I'll see, put it here. I'll look at it.
We're gonna do hot water.
So how much? Oh, yeah, all together in the
Yeah, like
oil, eggs, and
2 cups flour, so you have a dry mixture.
Yeah.
So you need 2 cups of a wet mixture. Get it?
Okay.
Yes.
now what you gonna put in that?
Hot water.
Hot water. Okay. All right, to the hot water. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Hot water's in. Warm water, lukewarm water. Wet mixture is going in, and the dry mixture.
No, not yet. We'll mix it up first, okay?
Okay.
Bannock.
I'll do one at a time, you guys.
Bannock and bacon and bannock and click.
Wait till I get there. Just mix up your flour
And
till I get
or
there.
bologna.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Oh,
It's
it's
a little
gonna be
wet,
very
so we're gonna add a
delicious.
little
Look
bit
at
of
that.
flour.
Look at
Flour
that
over here.
texture.
Texture. Texture.
A little bit of flour going in. What you're doing now, making the perfect dough, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you put salt in
Yeah.
there?
I did. I went fast, really fast. You didn't see me. Speed of light.
Oh yeah.
Could you get some on my face?
Bush bannock.
No. No, there's nothing.
There's the
Okay, you
process
can mix
for
it in.
folks.
You
Yeah.
can mix it in now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a pan.
All right, we're gonna continue that process. One at a time. We'll show you when the bannock is done, folks. We'll get it all mixed up. And yeah, preheat the oven to what?
375.
Preheat the oven to 375.
Look, I made a happy face.
You made a happy face?
Yeah.
Let's see. There's the happy face, folks. Cool. Ethan, you got a happy face? There's a happy face, folks. Awesome. There. Ethan got one too.
Okay.
That's a happy face.
She's-
I can still
and,
make one.
Mixing up the dry ingredients.
A happy face.
Yeah.
So now I know to add less water because that wasn't.
Oh no.
Okay, fun video.
Eyeball. Yeah, we're just having fun.
Yeah, fun video this time, folks.
So there, one
This
third.
is sticky.
Yeah, just leave.
Do I take it off?
No, just leave it there. Just wait.
Okay.
Wait till I get your pan.
Second mixture going in.
Wait till I get your pan, okay?
Is it by chance?
Yeah, you'll mix it with the spoon when I give you the spoon. Hang on. I'll get the hot water. So less water.
Okay. And number 2, wet mixture.
That's probably good right there.
Okay.
Yeah. Then
That's-
I'm gonna give her a spoon.
It'll work on the other one too.
Oh, yeah, no, I know. It'll
Okay.
be soft. Yeah, wait, just wait
Okay,
till-
make a well. Avril says.
Okay, here. I'm gonna put it in the middle. Move your fingers, it's hot. Now, you go.
Wow, look at
See,
that.
Yeah, no, wait, not yet. Start in the middle here and keep adding your things. Stir it in like that, okay? Nice and slow. See, and I'll get the next one started. The tire can
Is
go
it
next.
me?
You gotta get them to play in there and get working.
Yeah, second mixture going in. First mixture there, second one. And we're working on the third one.
Make a well. It'll be a well.
Zakaya's
Put it
wet
in,
mixture is
okay?
going in. Avril got it ready. And the dry ingredients.
Now add it in. Stir it in slowly,
Is
okay?
it my turn?
It's your turn. Make a well. Help him make a well, Michael. I'll get his.
Look, I'll teach you how to. You could
Show 'em how to make a
go in
well.
the middle like this. Yeah, make a hole in the middle. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I'll help him. I'll help him.
Help him make a
Yeah,
well. Yeah,
teach
your
him how to
brother.
make. Yeah, show.
It's your little
Teach him how
brother,
to
you
make
gotta
a
help
well.
him. Show him how to make a
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then you go in the
Right
middle.
there, yeah.
Good job.
Awesome.
Like that. I
Yeah,
have to put some on the side.
Yeah.
Like that stuff.
yeah.
Put it back in, put it back in.
I mean, you can only ever get kids to make bannock anymore.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
I know
Here,
how
babe.
to make bannock.
Traditional way.
Butter.
I know how to
Awesome
make
bannock.
Here's a spoon, my love. Stir it in.
Hey,
We'll have some hot crispy bannock, maybe with some bacon or just plain with butter.
Yeah?
All right, yeah. There's your dry mixture and your wet mixture going in. We'll make a awesome dough and we'll put it in the oven at 365. It's coming along, folks. Fun video to watch. Kids and Avril making bannock. Awesome, it's coming along. Look nice.
They're all happy for their bannock.
Yeah.
I want some on my hand.
Okay.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello, Ethan.
Hi.
Your name
Yeah.
and how old are you?
Yeah.
I'm 7. I'm 7. I'm 7. No, you're not.
Yeah. All right, folks, it's coming along. We'll get it mixed up. We'll throw it in the oven. And we'll have some bannock. Avril and the kids making bannock. Fun video to watch. All right, Avril got the pans all ready to go. Oiled. She oiled the pans and she's using this oil today. That's what we had. Yeah, she oiled the pans and we got one more here. Ready for the oven. Got 2 ready. We can fit 2 in the oven. Yeah, it's coming along. All right, Avril's going to show you how to finish up a dough. We're ready for the oven.
Yeah, it's wet.
Yeah.
So you gotta, I'll mix it for you. Hang on, yeah, it's sticky.
It's by your
But it's good, it's gonna be soft.
Oh,
See?
yeah,
Really
yeah, yeah.
soft, this dough.
You got it. You got it.
Good job, yeah.
Yeah, ready
You got
to-
it. She knows already.
Flatten on the
The
pan.
bannock maker.
Yeah.
Who is?
Okay, let's go to
It
the
cooks
pan.
itself.
Aurora's
Your bannock.
All right. Bannock's going on the pan. How are you going to put the bannocks, Avril? Just like that?
1, 2, 3, 4, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right, I'll show you when the bannock, that's the process. We'll show you when all the bannocks on there, on the pan. All oiled up, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope it's a fun video to watch and educational. Okay, the bannocks on
Show
the...
your face here, look.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
There. Okay, now Ethan. Come, Ethan.
Yeah, the bannocks on there, folks, and Avril's teaching them how to fork the bannock.
You guys are next. Here, Ethan, you fork yours. So we know who's is who. Say hi to the
Ethan,
camera.
say hello,
Say
Ethan.
hi. Right here.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
So
Yeah.
small.
There, look at that.
You can't even see his bannock. There we go. There, kid's bannock. is
I'm
good.
using
Yeah.
my tippy toes.
Okay, Aubrey is this one right here, Aubrey. Good job.
There's Aubrey.
Good. Say hi, Aubrey,
Hi.
to the camera. To the camera.
Yeah. Hi.
Baby,
Okay.
pick up the
Next one, Aurora.
Aurora.
To the camera, hi.
Hi.
Good job. There, now we'll know who's is who. See it? Aurora, Aubrey, Zakiah, Ethan.
Yeah.
There. I know.
All right, it's going in the oven. All right, the oven was preheating.
75.
375?
Yeah, 375.
Okay. All right, the oven's going in. It's hot, preheated.
375.
375.
An hour maybe, 30 minutes.
Yeah, half an hour, 30 minutes. We'll let you know.
Clean up now.
Yummy bannock. Kids and Avril making bannock. Look at that again, folks. Whoa. Let's take a look at that. Bannock. Wow. All right, it's coming along. We'll show you when it's done. All right, folks, it's coming along. Look. We're going to brown the top now. Wow. Oh, look at that fluffy. Look at that goodness. I can smell the aroma. Bannock.
Smells fluffy and yummy, eh?
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, it's coming along. We'll brown the top. Okay, folks, the bannock's done. We got our mittens. We're going to take it out. Look at that. Look. Oh, so fluffy. Look at that. Get a close up look, Taya. Wow. Here, look.
Warm water helps it.
Oh, that's why Avril said use warm water. It helps it.
Oh, man. It's hot, my dear.
Look at that.
Let it cool off a bit, okay?
Is it your first time making bannock? Huh? Oh, nice. Say thank you, Avril, Auntie Avril. Yeah,
You're welcome.
yeah. Oh, look at that. Which one's hers she made?
This was Aubrey or this one.
That one? Oh, look, it's a fluffy one.
This is hers. This
Oh.
is Ethan's.
Look at that. It's so fluffy. No, it's good. It's fluffy.
Good. It's fluffy. They're really hot though.
Yeah, we'll let it cool down and we'll have
Cool
some.
down. Okay?
We'll have a taste
Let it
test
cool down
reveal.
for a bit.
All right, it's coming along. The bannock is done. Avril, kids and Avril making bannock. Avril's gonna make them bannock.
Wow.
She's making the kids bannock. What are you gonna put on there? Jam, Avril?
I'm just gonna put butter.
Butter? Okay. Look, I want to try this jam here.
Go ahead, yeah.
Blueberry jam. I'll have on mine.
Ethan!
Let's try the bannock, folks. It's all done. Look at that.
Have some bannock jam.
Fluffy. Look at that.
Yummy, oh my god. You guys, it's bannock, Ethan here.
All right, we're gonna have a taste test. All right, the bannock's done, ready for us to taste it. I got blueberry jam on mine. I'll take a couple bites for you.
Have a bite, Aurora. How does it taste?
Mmm,
Good?
good. It's good? Have a bite.
She did.
Oh, she did? Okay. One more bite for you, folks.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Okay, that concludes our video. It tastes good with the blueberry jam. All right, bye for now.